Hi everyone. So I got this from the guys at Extreme Survival, and this is all titanium except for the blade. It's a little flipper, and it's even got ball bearings in there, and it is razor sharp. Just slices through the hairs. Comes with a it's supposed to be a neck knife, but I'm gonna put it on my keychain. Comes in a beautiful little box. It does come with a there is a keyring in a little one of them keyring. So it's a frame lock too. I thought it might have been a line lock, but no, she's a frame lock. Smooth. Absolutely love it. It's going to go straight on my keys. It's going to be great for opening up packaging, and yeah. It's so light, it weighs next to nothing. But that blood, there's no movement. That's about 2 mil thick blade. Yeah, it looks big up close. That's awesome. I love it. I'll go straight on my actually, I'll pause the video and I'll be back. Okay, so I ain't got my keys. I got this off Olight. So yeah, you just pull that back, and then it's a magnetic. So I'm actually gonna I don't have the fingernails for this at the moment. Might not be able to do it. Okay, I can do it. Look at that. And now, okay, lock it in. Can't come off. Little fidget toy. Look at that. Bang. Straight open. Frame lock. That's perfect. Absolutely perfect. So that's where that's going to be living. That's going to be getting a lot of use because I open up a lot of packages. I do like the chain they give you, because that way if it gets caught on something, it will break. Whereas when you use paracord on a neck knife, you've got to be careful, because if it gets caught on something and you fall over and it gets snagged on a branch or something, you can literally like choke yourself. So you got to be careful when dealing with neck knives. So, but this here would give way there, I reckon. And they would open up and it would give way. But I'll keep that as is. Oh, sorry about the noise. And this, whenever I need it, there it is. That's the best. I've had quite a few of the keychain knives, but this is the best one by far. So yeah, absolutely love it. And that comes in handy, that little magnetic lock. It can't come off. I'm pulling it hard. It can't come off. I can also take it off like that, I suppose, but yeah. Alright. I'll catch you on the video, the next video, when I go and test all these knives out. Hopefully soon. Alright, take care everyone. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. If not, it's all good. Alright, catch ya.